Today I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that problem when you try to play something in After Effects but the video doesn't play for some reason. But when you move the time indicator on the timeline, you can see that the video is playing perfectly, but when you press on the play button, it just doesn't play. So to fix that, go to the edit menu and then expand the preferences tab and then click on audio. So right here, make sure that the device class is set to MME. There you go. And then basically change the default output to any other device that you have. For example, as you can see, I'm using my headphones right now. So I'm just gonna switch to my speakers on my computer. Click yes. And then click OK. And then as you can see, the video is now playing for some reason, I don't know. Of course, you can go ahead to the edit menu again, preferences, and then audio, and then switch back to your headphones. Hopefully this fixed your problem. Leave a like if it did, subscribe for more videos, and feel free to watch this next tutorial.